Looking like it's time to spark this. Blaze it right. Oh, Kash Kapri, come represent 876 Hip Hop. Big Split Gang. Don't know. Black Resurrection. Okay.
Yo, you don't know anything already, right? I big up yourself, Black Customer, bro. Big up yourself, you know it goes every Western of the building. Sultan. Yo, a lot of great acts came through tonight. I just want to say, yo, shout outs to everybody who came through tonight. Y'all know what it is. Hip Hop One Drop. You see what I'm saying? My nigga King Sultan just came through. Burn this. Woo. Yo, 876 Music in the building. My brother D Shade, you know how it is, man. Shout out to you, you know what I mean? Hey, yo, Lando. Yo, DJ, anything you say in the car? Alright, that is it. But yo, every day I lose my fucking mind straight like that. Feeling like I'm going back to trapping straight like that. Cause I remember dialing on them lines straight like that. No, this ain't the peak, I keep on climbing straight like that. Hater hit my phone, I just declined it straight like that. Had to cut them posters out, them photos straight like that. And if you got a problem, best you say it straight like that. Cause been out of time for the straight like that. Me and mama had to make some sacrifices straight like that. We just took them chances, rolling dice straight like that. It ain't where you from, it's where you at, straight like that. Cause I'm out of time for the straight like that. Oh, drop something. Yeah. Y'all know what it is. My name is Kash Kapri. Find me on YouTube, Instagram, KASHKAPRI. 876 Music in the building. Let's go. I don't know what I want, so you know me, the core, the T, and the y'all know what I want, so that's it. Check it. I'm going in and out of studios. I spit it clear, hit a passion in my audios. So to my haters, it's adios. My people, let's vominos. Just roll up something that we can smoke. I used to ask them what the topic is, but now I'm the topic of your conversation, cause the feeling's real. A lot of artists sleeping on their record deals, they water down the music hand of my foes. I'm a king, all these problems, I be letting it go, you know? Not everything is real as it seems. Stay awake while I be chasing these dreams. I'm trying to make enough to feed the whole fam. The choice is given, gotta take that chance, you know how we do. Make enough to feed the whole fam. Choices given, gotta take that chance. Check it. Yo, I'm writing bars on the obvio. These rappers think they looking cool, but I can see the obvious. Light the flame, ease the pain, feel the rain like Pac. I'm a spark to change. I swear my drive could probably outrun Audis. Had a crazy conversation with Jordy. We was talking about the game and the money. These niggas lying, say they keep it 100. I spit heat like I sleep where the sun is. Man, I'm up and I'm running. Bar sicker, capzilla, flow killer, phone chiller, spit iller, nigga. So put the keys to ignition. I got them dancing like Bobby Brown. It's a new edition. Going over contracts, major decisions. I've got to choose living or making a living. Hard work, I'm seeing the blessings. Like another, we gon' bask in the essence. Like, what? Not everything is real as it seems. Stay awake when I be chasing these. You know what word. I'm just working out. You know, I'm just working out. Just working out. Black Hustle, big up yourself, my brother. Big split, yeah, for life. Yeah. I like this. Give me a little, alright. We gonna play with this one. Follow. Yeah. I do this on my culture. Let's go. I do this on my culture. Let's go. I do this on my culture. We make them know what a y'all nigga look like when a y'all nigga rising. Spit that clear so you know the heat rising. 876, man, you know my shit timing. Rolling on the next wrist. You know what, man, I'm going on the next flick. Maybe I sit at home, flow, shoot Netflix. Or call my brother DJ on that shit. Man, speaking of that shit we had last week, that I get for the iron shit. We are coming through, this is that high grade slip. Been a few years though, still smoking that OG though. And I'm sounding so clear though. And I stay away from skeezers and weirdos. They some weirdo. You know, I do my shit different. I don't even know. Half of y'all don't even know I do this shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Touch me with the next one, bro. That was nice. Yo, I was gonna say, it's our circle. You know what I mean? See the next one, bro. Black Hustle. One of the most talented youth of the game. You can't even deny that right now. You know what I mean? I mean, mix, master, produce, artist, write, shoot, edit, all of that. Come get the game on, yo. When I play around and say, see? Ah. Yeah.